Hey, what's up, guys? Got this limited box break here. Single box for the prize winners. There's Roger. What's up, buddy? Yo, not too much. Just watched Straight Outta Compton movie with my buddy. It was pretty cool. It's very cold here, so nice night to hang out inside. Pay-per-view, nah, is on, I think it was Apple TV or something. Yeah, I guess that you could call that pay-per-view then. Some sort of on-demand style thing. Yeah, no problem. Thank you guys for joining all the breaks. I appreciate it. Maybe get some cool cards out of here. There's a big checklist, lots of vets and stuff. Even Tom Brady autos, so maybe we can pull something sweet out of here for you guys. Yeah, there's a huge checklist in here, Roger. I mean, it's obviously... Oh, commercial? Yeah, that sucks. Let's make sure everyone's getting in here that needs to. Doo-doo-doo. Looks like we're pretty much ready to go. Only a few guys in this anyway, so be a quick little YouTube to watch anyway. Okay. Get this going 1 second, guys. Just gotta twist my screen around here a little bit so I can see. There. Alright. Yep, good luck, everyone. 3 hits in here. At least 1 auto, sometimes a couple more. Just 1 pack, 5 cards in the pack. And let's see what we can get, guys. Best of luck to everyone. There's our single pack. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. Just 5 cards. Okay, so it looks like we got some base up on top and bottom. Let me just give it a quick peek. Yeah, base is on the bottom as well. Okay. Phillip Rivers out of 49, Chargers. Another Phillip Rivers out of 399. Larry Fitzgerald out of 399. AFC West and NFC West so far. And Shane Scov. Let's see what... Got a hit behind that, so we don't want to cover it up with this Larry. I want to reveal it just a second. Niners, NFC West. 47 out of 50, Shane. Shane Scov autograph. So obviously not a big name guy. Should have been Tom Brady. If it's Tom Brady, I would have to shut the feed off and just take it for myself. Nah, I wouldn't do that. 47 out of 50 for NFC West. Leland's grabbing it. Okay, let's see what our next one is. So we got another Niner. Carlos Hyde. Cover up this next hit. So Leland's grabbing a couple hits. So very greedy. Jumbo patch out of 99, Carlos Hyde. See if we can get this last hit to someone else. At least 1 out of 3's got to go to someone else. Out of 99, Jumbo. Get this Larry covering up our last one. Good luck, everyone. Yeah, NFC West pack for sure. Let's see what we have. Tom Brady, Jimmy Garoppolo. Nice. That's a sweet patch. 9 out of 25. Woo, that's pretty dope. I like that. TJ's grabbing that one. That's sweet. If it had been an auto, that would have been nuts. A nice little dual patch there. Out of 25, 9 out of 25. So that's all she wrote. It's a quick one. Go through the hits just real quick here. Brady Garoppolo out of 25. Carlos Jumbo out of 99. Yeah, it's a sweet card, that Brady. Scov out of 50. Actually have some more limited on the way for it. We're going to have to do a little mixer, cheapy mixer for our next one. It's actually going to have like 20 some hits, but it's not going to be that expensive. I got some limited coming with that. There's our 3 hits. No big auto, but a nice patch there. Brady Garoppolo. Pretty sweet. Alright guys, thank you once again so much for joining all the breaks this winter, this January. And of course we'll have more prizes in the future. You're welcome, Roger. Thank you guys so much for joining as always. Sorry if you didn't get any cards there, but I know Aaron got a nice cool card there as well, that Frank Gore. Got a couple prizes in the giveaway. Alright guys, have a good night. Take it easy.